It was the murder that rocked a southern Kentucky town. Late last year, 7-year-old Gabbi Doolin was found murdered behind her brother's youth football game.
After nearly 7 months, her case was back in court today as Timothy Madden, the man accused, appeared before a judge. Chris Conti has the latest tonight from Scottsville, Kentucky.
Gabbi Doolin's family is learning that the criminal justice system does not favor speed. Both her family and Timothy Madden's family were here in court today, well aware that this is only the beginning.
I'm just sad. I'm sad.
Days have turned to weeks, have turned to months, will turn to years. But the town of Scottsville, Kentucky is still profoundly pink.
It's like each day is longer than they used to be.
It was the color Gabbi Doolin loved, a color you could not see her mom wearing in the front row of court today.
I received the discovery yesterday afternoon.
This was the first time anyone involved in this case had been in this room since January, including Timothy Madden, the man accused of murdering the 7-year-old.
I don't know, as I stand here today, what evidence exists that has not been tested. Is that correct?
Like time here, this case is moving slowly. The judge today granted the Commonwealth more time to examine evidence.
This case, of course, is the most difficult case that any of us will ever have to deal with, and certainly in our careers.
And I think that the court simply wanted to remind everyone of what an important and serious case this is.
From Madden's attorney, we also learned that evidence in this case is voluminous.
It's been a waiting game for the defense.
The judge also ruled that any pictures or video evidence gathered must be kept from the media.
There's light missing. It's sadness. It's overcast all the time.
Media that Gabbi's family stood before for the first time in a long time today following this hearing.
I just want the truth. I want justice to be served. I don't know what that truth is because I wasn't there. God knows. And I believe that the state of Kentucky is going to do everything they can to prove what happened and to make sure that justice is served for Gabbi.
No one knows what justice in this case will look like, but they do know that it will take time.
Now is the time where we will get to work.
There was some thought that this case might go before a jury sometime this year, but from attorneys today, we learned the earliest that it could go to trial is next year. In Scottsville, Kentucky this evening, Chris Conti, News Channel 5.
Thanks, Chris. Timothy Madden will be back in court on September 7th for another status hearing.